Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn your LED lights rainbow. To begin, you need to identify your LED strip type, either RGB or addressable. This is crucial for selecting the correct controller. Ensure you have a compatible controller or smart hub, as well as a power supply that meets your strip's voltage, typically 12 volts or 24 volts, to prevent damage and ensure optimal performance. For standard RGB LED strips, achieving a rainbow effect is straightforward. Connect your strip to its controller, ensuring the 4 pins align correctly. Then, use the included remote control or a smartphone application to browse through the preset modes. Many controllers offer a fade or jump option that cycles through colors, creating a basic rainbow. You can often adjust the speed and brightness to your preference. Addressable LED strips offer much more dynamic rainbow patterns. These strips require a specialized data controller, often with 3 pins for power, ground, and data. Using dedicated software or a mobile application, you can program each individual LED chip. This allows for complex effects such as a chasing rainbow, a flowing gradient, or even a pulsing pattern, providing hundreds of unique visual possibilities. To make your rainbow LED display truly shine, consider a few optimization tips. Mounting your LED strips on a clean, flat surface ensures even light distribution and prevents hot spots. For a more professional and blended look, use diffusion channels. These can smooth out individual LED dots. Finally, experiment with placement, perhaps behind furniture or along coves, to create an indirect, captivating glow that transforms your space.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.